Hello everyone, my name is Horia. Today I will discover the, the introduction to circuits. Today we will learn what are parts of a circuit. Circuits are a roll of electricity to make something that makes energy, to move energy from a source to a load. Today we will learn about what are parts of a circuit. A circuit moves electricity so that it can be used. We can see here a circuit in action.
Thôi tắt cái camera.
A load is a part of a circuit that uses electricity. Loads can produce light, heat, motion, sound, or other forms of electricity. This is another circuit in actions. Let's find out the load in this circuit. We can see the bread cooker provides sound when it pops out the bread, and it moves the bread out of it, so it will be the load. This load produces heat, light, sound, and motion. Now we have another action of circuit. Let's see what is the load in this circuit. We can see that this circuit has the ring that rang when it has the electricity goes through it. So it rangs and it has some motion to make the sound. It will be the load. This load produces sound and motion. Now, this is another circuit with a fan and a battery. So let's watch it and see that which is the load in this circuit. We can see here that when the rubber line is connected to the battery, the fans run. It produces the motion, so it is the load. This load produces motion and sound. The source is another part of a circuit, and it provides the energy for the circuit. Let's see this action of a circuit to see which is the source here in the circuit. We can see here that the source is the battery. When it runs, provide the energy to the light bulb to light. It will be the source. Now, let's connect the source, the correct word to each part of a circuit. Here, the solar panel has the electricity provide electricity by the sun, and it connects and it brings the energy or electricity to the heater. The heater is the load, and the solar panel is the source. We have another circuit. Now, the bigger battery here provides the energy to the light for the light bulb to light. So it would be the source, and the light bulb would be the load. Now, here we have another circuit. The radio provides sound and uses electricity, so it would be the load. The battery is the one that provides electricity for the radio, so it will be the source. Now we have another part of a circuit. Electricity has to travel to the load, so we need a conducting path to connect the electricity from the source to the load. We could see this action of a circuit here. And let's check out and see where is the conducting path. We can see here that this line is the conducting path because it connects the light bulb to the solar panel to light. We have another action here. Let's see which is the conducting path. The battery is the source. The hair dryer is the load. So to connect these two parts of a circuit will need a conducting path. And the conducting path here is the wire because it connects this two part of a circuit. Now let's drop the words to every part of a circuit. A battery is where that electricity is provided, so it will be the source. the heater uses the electricity and it provides heat, motions, and sound. So it will be the load. To connect these two parts of the circuit, we'll need a conducting path. And in this case, the conducting path is a wire that connects the battery and the heater. Now let's do some quiz. Which part of this circuit is the light bulb? The light bulb uses electricity and provides light and heat, so it will be the load. Why is the light bulb the load in this circuit? Because, as I mentioned it before, that it uses the electricity. Now, which part of this circuit are the batteries? The batteries provide energy or electricity for the bell to ring, so it will be the source. Why are the batteries the source in this circuit? Because they provide electricity. Which part of this circuit are wires? They are conducting path. Why are the wires are the conducting path in this circuit? Why? Because they carry the electricity from the battery to the bell. We finished the lesson today. Goodbye, everyone.